Back out in the bush after 24 hours of good rain. Got a great little waterfall happening. Grass is growing, trees are green. How does it get any better than that? You can't see my lake lagoon from down here. Let's go for a walk. Yes, that's how much water was getting pushed up. Let's push all the debris up. How relaxing is it down here? Pretty cool. The lake's that side of it. The sounds of running water is awesome. I know, and you're saying, then why don't you shut up so we can hear it? It's a nice one from Mofo. She can use it as a bedtime sleeping music next time she does a good night video. Alright, if you haven't fallen to sleep by now, you're not going to get to sleep. See you later.